Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I am going to be doing the purge in Pacifico. So let's start. I have to get the purge announcement in so I can sound like the purge. I want to make it as realistic as I can. Got it, guys. I'm gonna write the purge started. The purge started. So I am gonna be the first one of the purge. A cop. Oh, cops. What is wrong? What's wrong? Because the first started for real. So the announcement is already on. So now I just got to just fly around and kill people. Just hunt them. Cops are following. Gotta be a crazy diver if you're a purge. My games. I'm right. Why am I am one of the purge. Ah! Oh no, they already know. They already know I'm a purge. I'm getting caught. I'm getting caught. I'm getting caught. They're just drifted right there. And when the party ends, I'm gonna end the vlog there. Oh my god, look how many cops are here. I'm trying to get every cop's attention. I want to get all of those cops with me. Make them follow me. Run! I'm not chasing the cop. This is my plan. So I'm now getting chased. I'm gonna go somewhere near the police station. And then I'm going, oh, I'm a cop. Ha! Get tricked. Ha! This is gonna be so useful. Nice. Sorry for the background. No. La 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 la. See? I'm gonna like, see? I am a cop. Why are you guys chasing me? That was that was just so funny. I'm smart. Hi! Hey! Hey, oh! I'm being captured. I need to get those purges right now. Cops are everywhere. Look how many. Well, guys, let me show you how many cops are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cops. And this is like one half of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 10, 6 here. Oh my gosh. Follow me, every cop. Follow me, every cop. Follow me, every cop. Ah, boo, put a big bad I'm gonna go home. Purgers here. Go home. The U R E is here. And stay safe. Wow, my computer's so lagging. What's wrong? That was fun. It's gonna be a fun vlog today. Feels worse. Just run for your lives. Okay, I guess they just wanna call 911 if need. Color's the car. Where is the location? I'm looking for location, the car color, so I can catch the guy. Escape. Where is he? What color is his car? Right here. Right there. With the background noise. White. I see him. 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 He is near. He is near police station. His car is at the police station. Report now. His car is at the police station. Report now. right now. I need to use the cop voice. Or that the police report now. I see this guy. He's a cop though. Where must he be? I see him! He is in a BLSCR. He's in a black car. Error, get him! 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 Got him! It is this guy! Get him! Cops! Help here! It is him! It is that guy! That guy! That guy! That guy! Aye, sir! 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 Sir or crim? Crim! Get out! He is a... No, 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 no! Misunderstanding here. A very big misunderstanding. Very big misunderstanding. Need to get him. Sirens on.
Here's the Misaurus. I am the Misaurus.
So guys, I'm ending the vlog right here. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.